Ever wondered what makes a ham and Swiss cheese sandwich so delectable? Why, it's that mouth-watering combination of savory ham, gooey Swiss cheese, and the perfect dash of mustard, all nestled between two slices of freshly baked bread. Imagine this: the bread, soft yet sturdy, acting as the perfect canvas for this masterpiece. First, a generous spread of mustard on each slice, tangy and zesty, setting the stage for what's to come. Next, the ham. Oh, the ham, hand-sliced, hickory-smoked, and full of flavor. It's layered on, slice after slice, until it forms a succulent stack of savory goodness that makes your mouth water in anticipation. But wait, the sandwich isn't complete without the Swiss cheese, is it? That's right. The cheese is the star of this show. Creamy, slightly sweet, and oh so melty, it's laid atop the ham, ready to be melted to perfection. A quick trip to the toaster oven, and voila! The cheese melts into the ham, creating a mesh of flavors that's nothing short of exquisite. And there you have it, a simple yet delicious ham and Swiss cheese sandwich made from scratch. It's a symphony of flavors, with each ingredient playing its part to create a sandwich that's truly a delight to eat. To recap, start with fresh bread and a good spread of mustard. Layer on the ham, top it with Swiss cheese, and toast it to perfection. The result? A sandwich that's more than the sum of its parts, a culinary masterpiece that's as pleasing to the palate as it is to the eye. So next time you're craving something good, remember, a ham and Swiss cheese sandwich is more than just a quick lunch. It's a taste of excellence. And now you know exactly how to make one.